What we see now and what we hear now was carried from somewhere, and it's going someplace else. It was not a dream. Like, I always wanted to be an artist. I just always wanted to be me. Everything is rooted in the family. Art, that's what it is for me. It's about smell, it's about sight, it's about sound. There's a conversation that I'm listening to or that I'll respond to. Maybe not so much about me making art, but art making me. With the sound of your family, the wind or the river, they're not separate from each other. And just like the sound of my grandmother maybe telling me those stories, it's how this environment feeds my work. It is an entity. And that's what I always felt comfort in making art, is my process. It's my home. When we were there, it was important that my daughter speak to them and say, we're not here to disturb. We're here to ask for your blessing. That's another place in my practice. What I consider is time, almost like time travel. There's no way that my grandma's voice is forgotten. And I recall my dad's voice, my mom's. Time is too strong. I see old drawings and I see the line. I see the line of the coulee, I see the line of the river. I'm very attracted to the notion that we are cellular. For me, red line especially, it's more about us than really it is about time, I think. Thank you for making art. Thank you for thinking about it. Thank you for breathing it and sharing it. It's the making that I guess is the honor.